Fixed It.
Welcome back to the Mike Fixed It YouTube channel. This is Mike, and I am currently cruising in my 2019 GT Convertible in northeastern Pennsylvania. It's a beautiful time of year, but it is not going to stay temperate and dry for long.
No, it isn't.
So in this video, we will do an essential mod for anyone that has the performance package and is going to be driving their car through the cold weather.
Here's what I said just a few short weeks ago.
I'm thrilled with my new 2019 Mustang Convertible, and I got it just in time for a nice cold snap here in the Northeast US. We have the Performance Pack 1 on the car, which comes with the Michelin summer tires. They're Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. These tires are described on the Michelin website as genuine passion, exceptional drives, derived from the legendary Michelin Pilot Super Sport. This is a new #1 in max performance summer tires. Well, they summed it all up there with the last two words, summer tires. It's not summer here anymore. It looks like winter. It's already fall, and the temperatures are dipping below the 40s. We had low 30s today. So right now the concern is I just got this car. I want to drive it. I want to drive it through the winter. So what are we going to do about this summer tire situation? Here's what we're going to do. Today we are going to have installed on the car the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3s. Michelin Pilot Sport AS3s are described as the Pilot Sport AS3 combines summer levels of wet and dry grip with cold weather and light snow mobility. Hey, grip, wet, dry, plus possibly some light snow mobility. This sounds like the tire for me. So we're going to put them on the car and give it a try.
What's up? Hey, how are you? Good. Didn't think I'd be seeing it like this so soon. Yeah. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Brand spanking new. So clean. Look at all that aero under there. Yeah, it's totally flat. Well, I didn't think they'd be off the car this quick. So these are summer tires.
There you have it. Brand new tires. The other tires weren't even on the car for 2 weeks. And I have to tell you, I absolutely love these tires. I don't sense that there's any drop in performance. These tires have loads and loads of traction. They grip, they corner. I am very, very happy with them. I have had them out on one very, very rainy, very, very wet drive. So, highly recommended these Michelin 4-season tires as a replacement for the summer tires that come with the Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack. Thanks very much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you like the video, please click like, consider subscribing to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you'll know when we bring out new content. Thanks very much for coming for the ride with me. I appreciate it. I hope to have lots more fun footage coming, so stay tuned. This is Mike from Mike Fixed It. Be good, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.